The 4800 PSI electric power washer kit delivers a robust cleaning performance with its high pressure and impressive water flow, making it ideal for a variety of surfaces including cars, patios, and driveways. Its lightweight and portable design, coupled with adjustable brass nozzles and a foam cannon, ensures efficient and environmentally friendly cleaning. The washer's ease of use is enhanced by its compact size, long hose, and anti-tipping design, allowing for convenient operation in diverse water conditions. Durability is a key feature, with a stainless steel spray gun, metal connections, and reinforced tubing designed to minimize leaks and extend the product's lifespan. The total stop system function is a thoughtful addition, conserving energy by shutting off the pump when not in use, while also enhancing the safety with a child-safe lock. Patulio offers excellent customer support, ensuring a smooth assembly process with instructional videos and providing assistance for any product-related inquiries.